Now, the PNP is claiming that voter suppression took place in the most recent 2025 general election in Jamaica. You might be wondering what are my thoughts on this. I'm going to give it. But first, as usual, like, follow, share, and comment. I'm trying to create a community of well thinkers, and if you're not a well thinking individual, then disregard. You don't need to like, you don't need to follow, you don't need to watch. Right? Here's my thing. Voter suppression happened? Oh yes, most definitely. Definitely. Right? Dayton Campbell was even saying that as indoor worker, these are the persons, the individuals who work at the polling stations, was offered $100,000 not to work on the day. Right? Here is my qualm. And before we go to my qualm, this needs to stop. It needs to stop. It's a genuine complaint. It's a genuine issue that has been rooted in Jamaica for generations now. I am by no means saying this is not the case. I am saying point blank, I'm very clear with this. Voter suppression is an issue in Jamaica. Buying of votes is an issue in Jamaica. However, until both parties, JLP and PNP, can wholeheartedly say and be honest that, hey, we both have taken part in this suppression of vote and buying of vote. Because the truth is, they both do. You can't complain about something that you yourself are also taking part in. And any ghetto person, any ghetto person can come here and tell you that, yes, both JLP and PNP have offered to buy my vote. I know what I'm talking about. And anyone where know them at about can come in here and back up on me and say that what I'm saying is true. Both of them take part in this disgusting, dishonest act. But you have to put the blame on the people, because you're selling yourself so short that you're willing to sell the future of your country, the future of your generation, for a few bucks. But this happens, it really does happen. And it needs to stop. It needs to stop. It's a serious matter. And it needs to be dealt with immediately. Before the next general election comes up, it needs to be dealt with. Do I think it will be dealt with by then? Nah. But I need steps to be taken to deal with it.